Hey everybody, it's your girl Miss Marie here. Watch me take this boring unit and turn it into something beautiful, a bedazzled glam shelving unit. So stay tuned. Now let's get into the items that you're going to need to complete this DIY. So first you're going to need a shelving unit. Any size will do. Then you're going to need scissors. Any brand will do. Then next up, E6000 glue. We love that here on this channel. Then this is going to be optional, tweezers. This is going to help since I'm not using gloves as far as if adhesive were to, get on my hands or something, or if there was a tight space, I can use that. Then lastly, bling wrap. Now the bling wrap and the shelving unit and the E6000 glue, they all came from Walmart. So let's get into this. So hey everybody, as you can see, I already have some pre-cut bling wrap. This was previously used on the last piece of the shelving unit that I used. So I'm just trying to see if, if I can use what I already have pre-cut. And then this is really all about measuring and making sure that everything is going to look cohesive and obviously be even as possible. You can tell I'm literally cutting to make sure that this fits the bottom portion of the shelving unit. It's a perfect fit. So let's go ahead and let's add some adhesive to this bad boy. Now you can see me applying the bling wrap, and then I'm using my tweezers just to make sure it's, stuck, and it's up, then it's stuck, whatever Cardi B said. I'm just measuring out the next pieces. As you can tell, I was able to find a leftover piece from the previous shelving unit that I did. I'm just going to cut that down to size and then add adhesive to the shelving unit and then do the same to the other side. So I opted to do the last steps of this project the next day because, you know, as you know, with adhesive, you must allow it to dry down. And I have to complete the sides and then the inside part. And that's honestly just better to work with those major and bigger areas the next day, or whenever you've allowed the adhesive to fully dry, which is typically 30 minutes, give or take. So as you can see, again, we're just measuring out the size of the sides and then cutting, and then we're going to apply adhesive and then do this continuously until we have the final look. As you guys can tell throughout this video, I'm using various methods to apply the bling wrap. So as you just saw, you can literally measure it and then you can apply the adhesive and you can have a little bit extra hanging off and then you can just cut that bad boy off later. Now we have the final results. This DIY came out amazingly, if I do say so myself. Would you recreate this DIY yourself? Comment down below if you would. Now, look at my gorgeous perfume wall. It's so amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you soon. Bye.